Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And today we are going to unbox a electric skateboard by Majestic Boards, the Supreme. So let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. Okay, so huge thanks to Majestic for sending me out this board my way. I wasn't really asked to do a video on it. They wanted to receive some feedback on the board, how it rides. I already did a couple of tests of Majestic boards before, so they were, curious about my opinion. Not a sponsored review. I just received this for testing. I sent it back later on. I don't have any affiliations. I just want to talk to you guys about e-boards and, who doesn't want to see an unboxing? And yeah, that's just sort of the way it is. Like, I unbox, I press record. This will be sort of a chill video. We'll talk a bit about e-boards and their place in the PV world. You don't see so many boards on this channel because I find that e-boards are just, they have their good sides, but they're also a bit expensive. And in my opinion, because they don't have so many points of friction with your body, you just stand on them on a grip tape, they're not as safe as, for example, EUCs or electric scooters. And this board, as the name says, Supreme, it has amazing specs. I'll run you down when it comes to these specs in a second. So let's just open it up. Here it is. Oh my God, it's huge. That's what she said. I'll take a measuring tape in a second, but this is a big boy board. Look at these tires. All-terrain tires. Pretty nice rims. Lots of stuff inside. Yes, let's continue with the unboxing. Pretty well packed. Nice foam. And I believe here are some tools and stuff. I'll get to this in a second. A box with more stuff. The board itself. Let me get it out. Big! We're done with the box part of the unboxing. From the motor to the front, 1 meter, 10 centimeters. This is rather large for a board. And I see that I think it's a testing model because there's like a scratch here on the side. What do we get in the box? In the box, we get a box. And in the box, branded with Majestic logo, we get some pretty nice stickers, a pouch. What is inside the pouch? Probably the remote. Yeah, the remote. And the pouch is magnetic, or some sort of, I think it's a original Flip Sky controller, and this board is a Flip Sky based board. And it has 2,450 watts of power or 3,250 watts of power per motor. So this is quite a bit, and interestingly enough, this board also has a higher voltage. Usually the boards, like, I'm not a board professional, so some things I might say, just correct me in the comments, but most of the boards have a 10S battery pack, so 36 volts nominal voltage, and this one has a 12S battery pack, so 43 volts peak voltages. What does that mean? It's faster. So supposedly on these tires, it can go 60 kilometers an hour. I don't know if I'll test that. As said, this unboxing, slash review testing is just something chill I do. I am not really keen on testing boards to the limit because I think that's a bit dangerous. I'd like to do that more on EOCs. So we also get a charger, which is 5 amps. This means that you can charge this bad boy in 3 hours. That's pretty fast for a e-board. We also get a small chain thingy, a skateboard, which is funny, a USB micro for charging the remote, the USB-C, and some paperwork. Yeah, did I mention that the top speed here is 60 kilometers an hour, 70 on regular polyurethane wheels? That's freaking fast for a board. Let's get to the other box. I believe here are the different wheels. That's normal. So Majestic, also in Majestic boards you can also swap the wheels and swap the belts here for a different Oh my god, these are like cloud wheels. It looks like it. 120 millimeters, huge. You get, as said, 2 sets of tires and belts and gears and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. This is the board basically. There's not much to it. It has a remote. Let's check the bottom out. Here is the big battery pack, 650 watt hours. Pretty nice engraving of the logo here and Supreme. And then you can turn it on. You can turn on the remote as well. And does it function at all? Yeah, it does. Oh, and it's also pretty nice. So yeah, I'll be testing out this board over the next couple of days. I'll just see how it rides, what they can do better, what they can do worse. There's, you know, some interesting parts to the board as the wheels. I think they're like, what is the diameter here of the tire? They seem to be like 8-inch. It's 20 centimeters. And you know, there's the grip tape on the top and these like Majestic style parts. They have their own trucks with this triangular design. These aren't double kingpin trucks, so I believe this will be not a very well turning at low speeds board. And at this point I might also say why I don't like, I'm not such a fan of boards anymore. Like, I also like the feeling of carving on the road on a board, just to, you know, turn and slide around. It's really cool, but you know, this thing costs upwards of 2,500 euro. And most of this stuff behind me is 2.5. Like, this is 2.5 around 1,000 euro. The veteran Sherman battery is 4 times as big. Oh wait, 4 times more? No, more, 6 times as big. Almost 6 times as big as the Supreme. This is half of the price and can do 50 kilometers an hour, and the range is bigger. The Sherman is faster than the Supreme. The MSX is also cheaper than it. Like, it seems to me to be like a thing like you really like to carve on a skateboard and have the feeling of a, you know, snowboard in the summer, then yeah, you can't do that on a unicycle. But when it comes to value for money, it's hard to recommend electric boards. So, you know, it's just because of, you know, the deck can be different colors, you can customize the deck. You know, the wood is more expensive to just get some wood on top of the deck instead of just a plastic shell and some metal. And these are also, this is also not made in China, it's assembled in Poland. So this also takes a toll on the price. And I don't like to charge remotes, and yeah. I'm also afraid of a cutoff because, you know, I had a cutoff before on the EV4 board when accelerating. So I'm now more careful with especially like boutique manufacturers of skateboards. So basically this unboxing tells you that an electric unicycle is, in my opinion, better bang for the buck than the e-board. But anyways, I think it's cool that they still do boards. Majestic does boards. It's cool that they came out with a model that is just bigger, has more battery, has more power, has more speed than most of the other boards on the market, especially like in the Evolve lineup. Evolve just has less power, boosted as well, but boosted is dead. So yeah, I'll be trying this board out over the next, I don't know, week or so. And if I feel like it, I'll do a sort of a review or an impressions video for you guys. And if not, then you won't basically see it. But anyways, I thought that it might be interesting for you to just talk a bit about boards, to unbox the Majestic Supreme. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.